My name is Natalie Lande, and I teach saxophone lessons with Terra Sounds. Today, I want to teach you a quick trick on how to play low notes on the saxophone, how to really get them to speak clearly right away. So, typically when we play notes in the middle of our saxophone, such as G, A, B, etc., we want to say the word E around the mouthpiece, and we keep our jaw relatively centered and relaxed, like this. However, when playing low notes, I want you to remember this trick. The lower the note, the lower your jaw. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try and make my shape into as much of an oval as I possibly can. So like this. And that is how you play a low note on the saxophone. Thank you so much and have a great day.